Hello everyone, how are you today? I'm Michael, nice to meet you back, and today we will learn together how to cut your head properly. I got a really efficient way, you see. Under this cap I got a lot of hair, really wonderful hair, long and blonde, and in a moment, magic, I cut it and... Oh, what? Oh no, what? No, ah!
Hey guys, and welcome to a little bit different video of me in English, and I show you how I cut my hair self on the beach. Step number 1 is trimming the length. For that I separate my hair in 2 parts and brush them in the front. I need only scissor, comb or brush. I hold my head during the trim in one position and looking straight in the mirror. The ends are very damaged and need a trim to look more healthy. I cut the hair first straight in the end and repeat it on the other side. After the trimming 2 parts, I check the both sides. For that I hold the 2 parts between my fingers and trim them with a point cut. That gives more texture and helps to bleed together. After that I check how it looks like. Make a second check. For that I separate the both sides again and check the length. But be careful, perfectionism can be killer. A result is the worst case, a too short haircut. Please be careful and cut on the first time only a bit of your hair length. This was the first step. It's so fast. And now comes the second step. It's a little bit difficult. For the second step, I separate my hair in 4 bottoms. In the center of the head and in compositive from ear to ear. Take the corn from the center part down to the top of the ear. And that of both sides. In this step we cut only the front bottoms. The shortest point of my hair is the front piece. I skip and slice with the scissors careful on. The front pieces are shorter, that fall in the back is longer. That I repeat on the other side and check then the middle piece and cut a bit with the point cut and check the both sides. After that I connect the front side with the back side. Very careful and a bit. Slice again with the scissors. And the other side. It doesn't matter if you cut it from two up or compositive. Then I check it. I brush it with the comb down to see the line, to see the skip, and cut again, but very careful, only a bit. After I finish repeating that, this middle section of the hair is important for the next part. And now comes the third step. The front bottom is the shortest point and at the same time my guide for the other sections. I take the back middle section of my hair and comb it above my head, and then I take a little section of the hair from the front to leave it out with the back section to make sure I create the right shape instead of it all being one length. I take the same back section and pull this forward using the scissors to create the layers in my hair. I separate my hair in the center, comb it down, and separate again the bottom, what is behind my ear. And brush it then 90 in the angle from 90 degrees and cut it from the shortest part careful down. The same I take on the other side. Brush the hair 90 degrees. Tip the hair, then cut it slow down. I separate the whole middle section and then I separate the top half section of the back of my hair. Brush it again in a 90-degree angle. I've take the section and shape it on the left side of my head. Then brought it back to the right side and done the same to make sure it flows evenly. And here you can see the layers are not strong, but I think they are soft and natural. And I check the both sides and see that the one side is a bit longer. Then you can check it. Separate the high section of hair, comb it up and pull it forward. And here you see this a bit longer. And I point it. Check it again. And the double check is to take the half piece of your head and slice it together down. Now I done and it feels so fresh. It was so fast. I'm feeling so much better after the cut. It feels so healthy and silky. Sending your love. I hope you had fun, guys, and sorry for my bad English. See us in the next video. Bye. I start to cut my hair and now I end like this. It's so practical. We don't need the shampoo or conditioner.
No, just a bit of sand.
Yeah.
A bit of sand and a lot of love and it's perfect. See you.